Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 20 pounds in 15 days. And it's working with these awesome ingredients that's going to get rid of that weight off of your body. Now, as you can see, we're going to be working with some wonderful ingredients that's awesome for getting that weight off of your body. Now, we're going to be working with at least a cup and a half of our pineapple. All right. We're also going to be working with 1 whole cucumber, 1 green apple, some aloe vera juice, and some water. Okay. Pineapple juice contains an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme is found in the juice of the pineapple and helps in metabolizing protein, which in turn helps turn away the excess belly fat. In addition to it being so delicious and amazing, pineapple makes a good source of magnesium, which can boost fertility and contains significant amounts of vitamin C. Both the flesh core of the fruit are perfused with nutrients. The core contains proteolytic enzyme, bromelain, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can be used to treat bowel irregularity, sore throats, and joint problems. Adding cucumbers to your weight loss smoothies is a wonderful benefit because it's high in nutrients and very low in calories. It also has many important vitamins and minerals, and it contains antioxidants. It also promotes hydration, and it aids in weight loss. It also may lower your blood sugar and promote regularity. Cucumbers are a wonderful aid to your diet because it's cheap, quick, and flavorful way to enjoy your water. Sugary sodas, juices, and sports drinks are high in calories and sugar. Cucumber water, on the other hand, has almost 0 calories. Cucumbers not only help you to stay hydrated, but it also helps you to stay full, saving you from unnecessary snacking. Green apples are packed with nutrients, fiber, minerals, and vitamins, and are an excellent source of vitamin C and A. Green apples increases metabolism due to its high fiber content and helps in detoxifying your body. It keeps your liver and digestive system away from harmful elements. It also keeps your skin cells away from damage and free radicals, and also decreases the risk of skin cancer. Apart from being an excellent source of various vitamins and minerals, green apples are quite rich in calcium content as well. And eating a green apple every day can strengthen your bones and teeth, and also are wonderful for fighting against aging. So having a green apple is a wonderful benefit which slows down the aging process and enhance your overall beauty. Now I'm going to add in my 2 cups of filtered water and a half a cup of aloe vera juice, which was not shown on this video. Now here are 2 optional ingredients that I like to use, but is not necessary. You can also use your ginger. Now in this video, I'm showing you about 2 inches or so of a ginger root that I'm skinning and chopping and adding it into my drink, because ginger has a significant effect on body weight and belly fat. The gingerloids encourage certain biological activities in your body. They have an anti-obesity effect, helping food to digest faster and stimulate the body to speed digested food through the colon. When you take ginger and lemon together for weight loss, you may be getting an extra boost for keeping your body healthy. Lemon juice may act as an appetite suppressant, in addition to having high amounts of vitamin C. Now I'm ready to blend this wonderful concoction up. Now you're ready for a refreshing drink. Now what you do is you make this in the morning and you consume this whole pitcher for your morning breakfast. This is a lot of fluid, but it's going to help you to eat less calories. It's going to help you to stay full longer, and it's going to keep you nourished and hydrated with wonderful benefits. Okay, so enjoy this refreshing smoothie. Along with healthy eating, you will lose 25 pounds in 15 days. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below for the powerful NutriBullet full size and personal size blenders, along with these wonderful straws, metal reusable straws. Okay, check also in my eBay store for wonderful herbs and spices and natural honeys that's going to help your body. I also have great tonics down there for weight loss as well. And also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, for hair care videos, skincare videos, and more. All right, and thank you again for joining me. Don't forget to share these videos, comment down below, give that thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you again in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.